Yes, hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. This is your girl Nora, and in this video I'm telling the men how you are supposed to treat your wife. Yes, are you new to my channel? Please subscribe, and if you'd like to speak to a counselor, go to noraarake.com/booking. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1. Guys, do not shout at your wife when you are talking, no matter what. It hurts her. Number 2. Do not speak evil about your wife to anyone. Your wife will become who you call her. You are creating your wife by what you are saying. Number 3. Guys, do not share your wife's love and affection with another woman. It's called adultery. Number 4. Never compare your wife with another woman. Your blessing is in this woman, not the other one. If the other one had your blessing, God would have given her the other one, but God gave you this one. Do not compare her, treasure her and value her. Number 5. Do not starve your wife sexually. She owns your body like the same way you own hers. Do not let her beg and yearn for sex from you. Number 6. Don't be harsh and irritating. Be accommodating. She has sacrificed a lot to make this relationship and this marriage work. Be understanding. Number 7. Do not keep secrets from your wife. She is your wife. Be as open as possible with her. She is your helpmate. Number 8. Do not abuse her physically. Do not make negative comments about her body. Laughing at how fallen her breasts are, how ugly her stomach is, how fat she has become. After being with you, staying with you, letting herself go, sacrificing her looks and body for you, giving birth to your children. Do not make a mockery of her body. Number 9. Do not let her body and physical looks determine her worth. She has been with you. Value her even beyond physical looks. Cherish her and appreciate her till old age. Number 10. Do not insult your wife in public or private. If you have an issue to sort it out in your private bedroom. Number 11. Always thank and appreciate your wife. Give her the gratitude that you owe her. Thank her for loving you, for taking care of you, for being there for you and the children, and for uplifting your family, for giving you a house to call home. Thank and appreciate your wife. Number 12. Appreciate your woman for cooking. Do not shun her cooking and compare her with your mother. Know one thing, your wife will never be like your mother. They are two different people, two different women. Do not want her to strive so hard to be like your mother and to cook like your mother. She will never be your mother. Number 13. Give her the first place in your life. Make her first priority. Never put anyone before her. Never give your siblings first place or your family. She comes first. She is you. You and her are one. Number 14. Invest seriously in her spiritual growth. Pray together. Buy books for her. Read the Bible together. And it will also yield in your family and your children. Number 16. Play with your wife. Laugh with her. Go out with her. Grow your friendship and relationship together. Don't let her strive to grow the relationship alone. It doesn't work like that. Don't keep receiving and not giving. Number 17. All your money belongs to your wife. Never use your money to control her, to manipulate her. Let her feel free with your money. She is your wife, not your servant, and she's not a paid whore. Number 18, be a shield around her. Never expose your wife's weakness, because you will be exposing your weakness as well. Number 19, honor her parents, whether they are dead or alive, and be kind to her siblings as well. Number 20, always tell her you love her. Never get tired. Practice it every day, every time. Tell her you love her. Number 21, always apologize when you're in a wrong. Be quick to apologize. Be quick to own up to your mistake. Be quick to change. And be ready to take responsibility for your actions. Respect her, and whenever you think you are wrong or not, apologize. I hope you've learned. I hope you've heard. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click on notifications bell so that every time I post a video you get notified. Please follow my handles. Facebook is at Nora82, Instagram is @Nora, Twitter is @Nora Charimpa. Thank you, I love you. See you in the next video. Bye.